Hey guys, this is Scar5 here with another unboxing of a fitness tracker. Maybe about a week ago or so, I had actually unboxed this fitness tracker here. It's also around $30 to $40 on Amazon. This one doesn't exactly have a brand listed, but it's sold by a seller called Loping, I guess, L-O-P-I-N-G. But anyways, it has all the stuff that you would expect in a fitness tracker. So it even has heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring. You can track calories, of course, and also steps. And it is rated at IP67, which means that it's dust and water resistant. So this can actually be submerged underwater for 1 meter for 30 minutes. But I wouldn't really advise you swimming in it because it's not completely waterproof and sealed like that. But for a little bit of a splash here and there, it should be no problem. So just unboxing this, you can see there's the user manual right here. It's pretty thick because it's also in other languages. But just quickly go through this. So you can see here again, just like this one that I'm wearing right now, you actually recharge it via USB, which is built into the actual system. So you just need to take off the band and you can expose the USB part and you can just plug it right into a USB port to charge it. And then you can use this QR code to find the app that you can use so you can track all your data. And there's some info on what the app looks like, stuff like that. So let's just go ahead and get to the actual device here. The cool thing about this particular model is that it actually comes with several different color and size bands. So I assume that, let's not assume anything and take a look at the sizing here. So it looks like the blue and purple ones are pretty much the exact same size. Let me just double check with the black one. So yeah, the black one's a little bit smaller, so those of you who have narrower wrists like me, you definitely have a nice size band for you. And here it is, just a little quick comparison between this one and the one I have here. This one's a little bit wider, if you can tell, so you can put more data on this one, but it's not so obnoxiously wide that it's even wider than my regular Armatron watch that I have here. So just like the other one, it has a little hook actually embedded inside this strap here so that it actually latches on into the hole here, in addition to going through the buckle, which is nice. It keeps it in place. And then you can see the heart rate monitor is right there. And the USB port is on this side, so let me just see if I can expose it right now. Just like the other one, you kind of have to give it a little bit of elbow grease to pull it off, but you can see there's the exposed USB part where you can plug into a USB port to charge it. Just go ahead and take this off. It also has a quick instructions on how to get this thing set up right here on the sticky. Alright, so I gave this a little bit of charge, and I've also switched out the band color to switch it to the smaller size, also in black. I do prefer black since it doesn't show as much gunk as the other colors. But anyways, let's just go ahead and take a look at the interface. So right now, it's set to, if you kind of raise it, you can quickly see the time in this analog shape, and you can see the date, which is wrong right now. I have to change it in the app, but just to take a look at what it can see in each screen iteration. So there's a little capacitive button right here that you press to switch between the screens. So here is the main information page. You have the date, the time, and you can also see how many steps you've taken. You can also see the battery life at a glance right there. And then if you switch it again, you can see that's how many steps it has, and you can see this is a full color LCD display right now. It shows you the steps for the next one, and then you can also show your mileage. In this case it's kilometers, but you can pretty much adjust all of this in the settings if you have the app downloaded, which I'll do in the final review. And then the next one is you can see how many kilocalories you've burned, and then we also have your beats per minute right here, BPM, and it'll actually try to scan your heart rate. Over there to see the next one, and then this one, it looks like counts of oxygen, not too sure about that one. And then this one, it'll detect the type of sport exercise that you're doing. And also there's a dedicated page if you have any messages coming in. So if you get a text message or something, you can see it right here on your wrist. And then settings, I don't really know why they show settings on here because you can't really change any of the settings right on the fitness tracker itself. You have to do everything in the app. But that's it, just a quick look and unboxing of this fitness tracker. It's budget friendly, so you know, it's for those people who want a fitness tracker to track your calories, steps, sleep, but you don't want to pay that huge premium price. Well, that concludes my unboxing video, but make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to see the review when it comes out. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.